Do you know grape juice is actually good for you? It turns out grape juice has a number of surprising health benefits that have been proven by science. How many grape juices do you drink on average per day? If the answer is none, then it's time to start drinking grape juice. In this video, we will discuss 5 ways grape juice can improve your life and help protect against disease. 5 benefits of grape juice. 1. Grape juice is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage that may lead to cancer and other diseases, so grape juice can have a positive effect on both your physical health and mental well-being. In fact, grape juice has been shown to be a better source of antioxidants than many vitamins. 2. Grape juice has a positive impact on your blood pressure. Many grape juices are rich in potassium, which helps lower high blood pressure levels. Drinking grape juice can also help regulate heart rate and improve circulation, as well as improving the function of muscles that contract to pump the blood throughout the body. 3. Grape juice can help ward off diabetes. One grape provides around 3 grams of soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance in the body. Consuming grape juice regularly has been found to lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes by up to 50%. 4. Grape juice helps to detoxify your body. Grape juice is high in organic acids, which can help remove toxins from the liver that may contribute to disease and other health concerns. Drinking grape juice regularly has been found to improve overall kidney function by as much as 20%. 5. Grape juice is a natural stress reliever. Some grape juices contain the amino acid tryptophan, which promotes relaxation and can make you feel more at ease in social situations. Drinking grape juice regularly may also help relieve anxiety or depression symptoms by restoring serotonin levels to normal levels in your body.